Imagine waking up to the aromas of a sun-drenched Mediterranean morning. The air is filled with the scent of spices, fresh herbs, and a hint of something savory and exciting. This, my friends, is the essence of shakshuka, a dish as vibrant and welcoming as the cultures from which it originates. Shakshuka, meaning all mixed up in Arabic, is a testament to the beauty of simplicity. It's a dish that speaks of warmth, nourishment, and the joy of sharing a hearty meal with loved ones. Originating in North Africa, this culinary treasure has captured hearts and stomachs across the globe, becoming a breakfast staple and beyond. The beauty of shakshuka lies in its versatility and ease of preparation. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this recipe is your passport to a world of flavor. So, gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and let's embark on a culinary adventure together. One of the most appealing aspects of shakshuka is its humble ingredient list. You likely have most of these staples in your pantry already, making it a budget-friendly and convenient meal option. Here's what you'll need to create your own shakshuka masterpiece. For the base, ripe tomatoes, the heart of our dish, use fresh or canned, diced or crushed. Onion adds a touch of sweetness and depth. Garlic, aromatic and pungent, a little goes a long way. Olive oil, our cooking medium, lending richness and flavor. Spices, cumin, paprika, and a pinch of chili flakes for warmth and vibrancy. For the eggs, fresh eggs. The stars of the show, adding protein and richness. For the finishing touches, fresh herbs, parsley, cilantro, or a mix for freshness and aroma. Feta cheese, crumbled on top for a salty, tangy bite, though it's optional, that's it. A handful of ingredients that, when combined, create a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Now that you have your ingredients prepped and ready, let's dive into the heart of the matter, the cooking process. Don't be intimidated by the simplicity. Each step plays a crucial role in building layers of flavor. First, sauté the aromatics. In a large oven-safe skillet or cast iron pan, heat your olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook until softened and translucent. Then add the minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Next, build the flavor base. Add your spices, cumin, paprika, and a pinch of chili flakes to the onion and garlic mixture. Stir well and cook for a minute or two, allowing the spices to bloom and release their aromas. Now it's time for the tomatoes to join the party. Add your diced or crushed tomatoes to the pan. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Bring the mixture to a simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once the tomato sauce is thickened and reduced slightly, use the back of your spoon to create shallow wells or nests in the sauce. Crack your eggs directly into these wells, ensuring that the yolks remain intact. Finally, carefully transfer your skillet or pan to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Bake for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the egg whites are set and the yolks are cooked to your liking. Keep a close eye on the oven to prevent overcooking the eggs. Section 4. A pinch of creativity, variations on a theme. One of the most delightful aspects of shakshuka is its adaptability. Like a blank canvas, it invites you to experiment with flavors and ingredients, creating a dish that reflects your unique taste. Here are a few ideas to spark your culinary creativity. Embrace the veggie patch. Feel free to incorporate other vegetables into your shakshuka. Diced bell peppers, zucchini, spinach, and mushrooms all add texture and depth of flavor. Spice up your life. Adjust the spice level to your preference. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper for extra heat. Or swap the chili flakes for a milder smoked paprika. Herb garden symphony. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fresh herbs. Dill, mint, and oregano all lend their unique aromas to this versatile dish. Cheesy goodness. While feta cheese is a classic topping, you can explore other options like crumbled goat cheese, grated parmesan, or even a dollop of ricotta for added creaminess. Section 5. Serving up happiness, presentation, and sides. As your shakshuka bakes to perfection, it's time to think about presentation and accompanying sides. This dish is all about rustic charm, so keep it simple and let the vibrant colors speak for themselves. A sprinkle of joy. Once your shakshuka is out of the oven, shower it with a generous handful of chopped fresh herbs. The vibrant green adds a pop of color and a burst of freshness. Bread Basket Delights crusty bread is a must-have alongside shakshuka. Dip, scoop and savor every last drop of that flavorful sauce. Salad on the side. A simple salad of mixed greens, cucumbers and tomatoes adds a refreshing contrast to the richness of the dish. Avocado love. For a creamy and satisfying addition, slice up some avocado and serve it alongside your shakshuka. Remember, presentation is all about expressing your personal style. Don't be afraid to get creative and have fun with it. Section 6. Beyond breakfast shakshuka's versatility. While shakshuka is often celebrated as a breakfast champion, its versatility extends far beyond the morning meal. This adaptable dish seamlessly transitions from breakfast to lunch, dinner, or even a satisfying brunch centerpiece. Light lunch delight. Serve smaller portions of shakshuka with a side salad for a light yet satisfying lunch option. Dinner time star. Pair your shakshuka with couscous, rice, or quinoa for a hearty and flavorful dinner that's sure to impress. Brunch gathering showstopper. Prepare a large skillet of shakshuka for your next brunch gathering. It's a guaranteed crowd pleaser that's easy to make ahead and even better shared with loved ones. As you can see, shakshuka is more than just a recipe. It's an invitation to explore the world of flavors, experiment in the kitchen, and create a dish that's uniquely your own. So gather your ingredients, embrace the simplicity, and let the aromas of this sun-kissed dish transport you to a world of culinary delight.